Hello. Today I am going to show you how to replace your broken tilt window control with a replacement part. First, let's take it down, the window blind. The whole thing slides out. Next, go to the end. Use a needle nose and pop out this metal bracket. Now you can go back to where the tilt control is located at. So the next goal is to slide this rod out. Now for mine, there are some clips on here. You just pull the clip off. One clip. There's another one on the other side. Two clips. Some units don't have it. And you just slide the rod out. Okay. Now this tilt control can be released by just twisting it. There's the old one. As you can see, the new one is identical in size, maybe a little bit different. So let's first stick that through. You can twist it in. Okay, now we can slide the rod back. As you can tell that the rod won't go all the way in because I need to adjust this. Now it's all the way back in. After it's in, you can just put the clips back on. And let's go back and put the bracket, the end cap back on. Alright. For this, let's put it back up. Alright, let's put the wand back on. Let's lower this. Well, all done.